Could the S24 Ultra be the perfect Android phone? I think so. Let's discuss the leaks and rumors so far and why I think it could be the perfect Android phone. Although Samsung is not changing a lot with the S24 Ultra, it will introduce some much welcome refinements, the first of which is the use of titanium in the frame. Now, I don't like how Samsung is following Apple's design language by introducing titanium right after Apple did, but it is what it is. On the other hand, it could also push other Android manufacturers into using titanium in their phones, and I am looking at you, Google. Another subtle yet most welcome change is the display. It's rumored to be 6.8 inches with a peak brightness of 2500 nits. What is interesting is that Samsung is finally embracing the uniform bezel design. The S24 Ultra is rumored to forego the chin in favor of a more aesthetic appeal. Combine this with the leak of an almost flat panel and I think Samsung has an easy winner in their hands. The display is most likely going to be 120Hz, but there is a chance Samsung ups the ante with a 144Hz display. Not a huge deal, but Samsung might want to be the first big brand to do so. In terms of battery capacity and charging, not much is changing from the S23 Ultra. The battery is rumored to be 5000 mAh with a charging speed of 45 watts with a wire. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 should help with better efficiency and hence better battery life than its older sibling. Speaking of Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, it is rumored to be paired with 12 gigs of RAM on the lower end and 16 gigs at the higher end for a buttery smooth performance. The RAM will also be complemented by UFS 4.0 storage. Probably the biggest improvements are happening to the cameras. Although the main camera resolution is the same at 200 megapixels, it is getting improvements in the sensor size for improved and detailed shots. This is further corroborated by the fact that Samsung is also changing the way it captures images using parallel image processing, which should help with improved image quality. And just like the Pixel 8 series, there is also HDR image support coming to the S24 Ultra. Further changes include a new 10 megapixel 3x telephoto sensor and a new 50 megapixel 5x optical zoom. Now, some might think this is a step back from the 10x periscope of the S23 Ultra, but the 50 megapixel will likely offer a boost in image quality and compete better with the likes of the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the Pixel 8 Pro. I think the 10x on the S23 Ultra was overkill and Samsung seems to have realized that as well. On the contrary, Samsung is expected to keep the 100x space zoom moniker for the S24 Ultra. Other rumored exciting additions include 8K video recording on the 5x telephoto, improved image processing for accurate shots to reduce over-sharpening and oversaturation, 24 megapixel default photos, better night mode, and AI optimized shots. The only disappointment I have is with the ultrawide and front selfie cameras. Rumors point towards the same sensor and capabilities as before. The final piece of the puzzle is the price. With the starting price rumored to remain the same at $1199 US, this is good news for potential S24 Ultra buyers. Now, with a great design, an impressive display, solid battery life, and potentially great cameras, the S24 Ultra is shaping up to be an Android phone that's as close to perfect as possible. Let's see what else is in store for us next month. Subscribe and I'll catch you soon.